Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to get the wooden nose TikTok filter. So go ahead and open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the Discover tab at the bottom of the screen with a little magnifying glass next to it. Click on Discover, go to the top of the screen, to the search bar, and enter in wooden nose, all one word. That will bring up a bunch of videos that use the wooden nose effect. You can click on any one of them that you like, and then go down to the bottom left-hand side of the screen where you see the little icon with the effect symbol next to it that says wooden nose. Go ahead and click on wooden nose. And here underneath wooden nose, you can see the little tag that says add to favorites. Go ahead and click on add to favorites, and then use the back arrow to back out of here. Now you can access these effects anytime by clicking on me from the home tab. And then right next to edit profile, you see that little bookmark icon. Click on the bookmark icon and then swipe over to effects, and you can see the wooden nose effect right there. Click on wooden nose. And here, by pressing the little camera icon down at the bottom center of the screen, you can start shooting your TikTok video with the wooden nose effect. When you're all set, just back out or post as you like. I hope this video helped you out on how to use the wooden nose effect on TikTok. If it did, smash that like button and consider subscribing because we talk about this sort of thing often. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.